We are now going to proceed with the interior of the travel trailer. Moving up, we have a screen door, sliding door. We'll enter into the camper. Turning towards the nose, nice big window area, couch. Does fold out into a bed. Cushions will remove, and you'll just pull up right here, pull it out, you'll be good to go. Above the couch, storage. Nice big windows, all have functional blinds. Just inside the sliding glass door, we have a little entertainment situation right here with the stereo. A couple small cabinets. There's also one back here. Stereo does work throughout the travel trailer. Speakers A will control the speakers in the living room. Speakers B will control your speakers in the kitchen. And C will be your exterior speakers. Have hookups right here. Electrical outlet. And your fire extinguisher is right by your front door. Turning around to the other side, we do have an electrical outlet over here up in the front of the camper. Another small storage compartment by your couch. Kitchen table. Windows with blinds, functional blinds. Light, push on, push off. Turning. We're going to have some more storage above your reclining couch here. Does have a small compartment that opens right here. Set remotes and whatnot in. Again, these lights back here work on a push button. Windows, functional blinds, windows with blinds. Again, another light here. We'll push on and off. Turning into the kitchen. Pantry. Some drawers. Down below here is going to be your breaker box and fuse panel. Commercial fridge. Storage above the travel trailer. One thing to note about this fridge, there is not an inverter here, so you will only have power to your fridge when you are hooked up, or when you are hooked up. Microwave, range. To start your burners, you will want to turn them to light, and then you'll turn this knob here to spark them. Down below, oven, drawers, storage, cabinets. We have some cabinets above the microwave as well. Sink. Below the sink, window with blind. We do have a light here. An outlet. And moving around towards the front here, we have your systems monitor. This will be for your water pump. This will turn your water heater on propane. Light switch. This will be for your porch light. The ceiling light button here will control the 4 lights that are on the ceiling down the center of the camper, and your slide in, slide out button right here. Down on the side, there is some accent lighting, goes through the kitchen, as well as up above your slide out. Those are controlled right here. And then we have your carbon monoxide propane alarm down below. Moving backwards into the bedroom area, light switch right here. Antenna tuner. Have your thermostat right here. Cycles through. And we'll just go back to off for now. Down below in this hallway as well, this is going to be your vacuum tool hookup. On off switch down here. Tools will plug in right here. Opening this door, we are going to enter the bathroom, toilet, two cabinets, shower, skylight in the shower, do have some hooks already placed. Vanity here with some storage, sink, storage down below here. There is your water pump, easy access, and this is the back side of your vacuum. We've got an outlet here. This switch right here is going to control your lights in the bathroom. This switch right here is going to control this fan. It's always remaining on right here. You can control it from the switch on the wall. Go ahead and show you. And it does have a crank. Move that vent up or down. Shut that off. Moving out of the bathroom, back into the hallway. Have another window here. Big blind. Moving back into the bedroom. Does have a door. Opening the door up into the bedroom, we take an immediate right. We have an outlet, window with a blind, have a light with a push button. We do have above bed storage. There are 3 compartments. Here's your bed. Taking a left, we move to the wardrobe. Nice big open wardrobe. Goes all the way down. Does have 4 doors. 4 doors. Down below, we've got 4 drawers as well. 2 more there. Taking another right, have a small dresser over here with 4 drawers in it. All have mags, so stay closed. Another big window with a blind. Coming over to the other side of the bed, we've got another outlet. Have another light push button here. More storage. Your window with blind. Turning around, above the dresser, a bit more storage. Have another light here, works on the toggle switch. Emergency window right here. Slide out control module for back here. This light switch right here controls these 2 lights. And your other switch right here is going to control the porch light just outside the access to the bedroom, the door access to the bedroom. We'll go ahead and open this door up. Spotlight is right there. And as we exit, we can turn and look at the bedroom. There is compartment access from the outside. Additionally, the bed does lift up and you are able to access that compartment underneath the bed. Again, that's where your vacuum tools are and your stabilizer jack tool sitting up there at the front. I do believe that concludes our tour of the 2018 Forest River Salem Grand Villa Classic. If there are any questions, comments, concerns you have, something you don't understand, please feel free to reach out to us here at Finley Truck and R&V. We would be more than happy to assist you getting comfortable with your new travel trailer. Thank you so much. Have a great day.